Hello everyone, I'm Hunt Chef Jeremy Critchfield. I've been a customer of LEM's for over 15 years and now today representing them here and showcasing my passion for preparing wild game and game fish. We're gonna make an incredible wild game sausage with this venison roast, pork belly ground in with the venison, and then wrapped in bacon to put it on the grill. So I've got about equal parts, about 3 pounds each of the fresh pork belly. So you can see the grain of the meat there. If this was still a whole slab, we could cure this, brine it, smoke it, make bacon, roll it up, make pancetta. So we're just gonna rough chunk this belly up to grind in the big bite here with our venison. Yes, this is a beautiful, fully trimmed venison hind leg roast, and I almost hate to cut it up and grind it because we can make some beautiful little cutlets out of this, a beautiful roast. But today it's gonna be a beautiful sausage because I've already been through all of my venison that I had set aside for sausage, and I think this is gonna work just fine. I mean, you can see that huge vein of silver skin in there. This big bite grinder is gonna make short work of that for certain. I come back across and chunk them up. You need a good sharp knife, obviously. All right, so we've got our meats cut up and ready. Now I've got dried thyme that we're gonna sprinkle all over. Thyme and the seasoning, the herb rather, and venison are two of my favorite flavor pairings. I've got a liberal amount of kosher salt here. Looks about right. Fresh ground black pepper. We're gonna go a little heavy on this because I want some of that pepper kick against the backbone of this sausage coming off the grill. And onion powder. So onion powder has an umami flavor to it that I think is overlooked a lot in a lot of different cooking and recipes. And fresh minced garlic, big flavor star in this sausage. And finally, just a little bit of refined white sugar. That looks great already. So meat's ready, seasoned. We're gonna mix this up and we're gonna get it in the big bite grinder. One of my absolute favorite memories from my childhood is growing up hunting and cooking with my granddad, was running that grinder with him, making sausage, making hamburger, making meatloaf. LEM's family of products is top of the line. And if you want to get your kids involved, bring those next generations along, introduce some neighbors, family, friends, the grinder is a great place to start because, well, it's a lot of fun. And this Big Bite 32, now this one, I use this in my butcher shop 6 days a week for a lot of custom work. So for me as a professional chef using it, it works great. And this guy, again, is just about irreplaceable. So we've got all of our seasoned meat in here. We're gonna turn this thing on, run it through. This is gonna be one delicious venison sausage. So we've got our first run through. Now, you know, the meat had a chance to blend together, the two meats with the seasonings. And we're gonna run it through one more time to finish that blending. And then we'll be ready to load it in a stuffer and get it all cased. So we're almost ready with our casing. And that means we're almost ready to get this sausage in it and ready to go. So we got the end here. Now, I said big bite stuffer, motorized, you know, it's dual gear. So it definitely has a hand crank option, but the motor is really the way to go for me. It's a lot easier and you can do one person operation with it. So we're gonna let this come straight out. I'm gonna leave it a little bit loose coming into the casing because I wanna twist these guys off into lengths. Otherwise, if I was just making rope sausage out of it, I would hold them a lot tighter. But you can see, just feed it with your left hand and you get a little stack here and keep twisting with the right. We've got a little bit of water here we're gonna put on the board to help it slide a little easier. And just like that, back to it, and just keep that feed. So it's got a speed control setting, knob dial right there, super easy to use. It also has a foot pedal control that you can use with it. I prefer to use the hand, but you know, whatever you like, you try it and make it your own, as with all these recipes. And we're done. We've got a gorgeous day for grilling and these sausages are looking absolutely right. So venison sausage wrapped in bacon, going on the grill. We've got the fresh cut chips inside and soaking in cold water. getting the starch all rinsed off of those guys. We've got a secret ingredient, some horseradish mayo. We're gonna brush on the buns along with some 2-year aged cheddar. We're gonna get these guys on the grill and get it rolling. So we had a couple of guest grill chefs join us here, Warren and Chloe. Here we go. Come off. Look at those guys. These bacon wrapped venison sausage dogs are ready. We're gonna take them inside and get them on a bun. So we've got an unbelievable grilled sausage. Now we're gonna make an unbelievable toasted bun. So we've got some horseradish mayonnaise here. Go ahead, Chloe. Chloe's gonna spread some on one side and then, oh yeah, get it on there. There you go. I'll spread that out nice. Maybe a little bit more. A little bit more. Oh yeah, there you go. Awesome. Now bring it back all the way. So keep doing that, Chloe. Warren is gonna put on a 2-year aged white cheddar and we're gonna move those guys to the tray. We're gonna put them in the oven, 325 on convection fan for probably 6 or 7 minutes until the cheese is melted and they start being golden brown and delicious, and the perfect vessel for our venison sausage with the bacon wrapper. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to eat. So we're gonna bring this thing together right now and finish it up. So we got our homemade chips. Warren's got some of my rib rub here. Give it a good shake on there, buddy. Come on, shake it. Shake it. Shake it like you mean it. Shake it. More, 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 more. All right, that's good, bud. Awesome. All right, Dad's gonna mix them up here with the seasoning. We got sweet, salty, and definitely some savory flavors. And that rib rub that goes awesome on chips or popcorn. So it doesn't always have to be salt or sea salt. We're just gonna make a nice pile here on the end. I think that's good enough. It's Mount Potato Chip. What do you guys think? Pretty awesome. All right, here's the star of the show. Venison sausage wrapped in delicious applewood smoked bacon. Yum is right. And these toasted rolls with the aged white cheddar and the horseradish spread going right up here. Chloe's gonna give these guys a drizzle with some mustard sauce now. All right, let Dad help. All right, one at a time, you ready? You can do this. Oh yeah, nice, very nice, very nice. 2 more, yep. Awesome.
Looking good.
Looking good, that's right, pal. A little more, come on, number 3. That melted cheese looks really good, doesn't it, guys? A little more on that one. All right, finish it up, Chloe. Yeah. All right, set that spoon on this plate for me, honey. Awesome job. Now, got these guys on their toasted rolls. I'm gonna cut one in half. See what we've got here. Man, does that look good or what? All right, Chloe, give it a taste. What you gonna say?
It's good.
Yeah? Is it real good? Yes! All right, Warren, here you go. Small bite.
I love it.
Ah, me too. All right, my turn. It's delicious. We got a home run. Give me some knuckles. Boom. Great job, guys. Thank you so much. This is a very satisfied HuntChef Jeremy Critchfield with LEM products, and this is how you be your own butcher field to table.